brand new 2022 Polaris RZR PRO R Launch Edition, 225 horsepower. Now it's officially broke in. It's obviously muddy, dirty, has a few scratches, and I'm okay with that. I initially ordered this just to do a quick review, test, and then sell it because you could make a couple bucks on these. Just so hard to find right now. But after actually driving this thing and getting some seat time in it, I really want to keep it. It is an amazing machine. It handles just out of this world. It's in stock form, it's not the fastest. I mean, I feel like, you know, just an X3 or a turbo RZR with a tune could outrun it in a straight line, but there's just more to it than that. It's just on a complete another level, suspension and handling wise. I mean, the car just drifts, soaks up anything you throw at it. It's just a really, really fun car to drive. But stay tuned because I ordered a Stage 2 kit from Aftermarket Assassins. I believe it's an exhaust, ECU reflash, and a clutch kit. Adds 25 horsepower, I believe. And so I'm going to test that back-to-back against stock versus 0 to 60 top speed and probably do another lap around the loop. Should be fun. I can't wait to see the difference. I know it sounds amazing. I've watched some of their videos on that. And also, don't forget to subscribe because I'm giving a Banshee away once we hit 60,000 subscribers on this channel. So all you have to do is be subscribed and you're entered automatically to win.